What's up, guys? David, Midlife Crisis. It's 7:30 in the morning. It's fucking early on a Sunday, but we're going out to check out the all new Winter Park Cars and Coffee at the new location, which is going to be Full Sail University. So check it out. YouTube video. Please like, please subscribe. Let's get into it. Early morning post up, meet up for this all new Winter Park Cars and Coffee. Ooh, look, there's a CA. I got Suresh, Ian, Shiva. Wow, that was cool. But yeah, we're gonna roll out here. Look at this. Look at this. Got a C7. Man, good parking lot. I like this. We're pulling into Winter Park Cars and Coffee right now, and they got a pretty decent sized parking lot here at Full Sail. Okay, and there's already a shit ton of cars here. This is crazy. We're gonna park up. All right, we're here at Winter Park Cars and Coffee. Already a bunch of cars are here. It's only 8:35 right now, and this place is packed. Absolutely packed, you can see. So we're gonna do a walk around, walk through, whatever. Let's get into it. So yeah, this is, like I said, got a couple Nismos over here. There's my car, there's Ian's GT350, Shiva's Mustang, Suresh's Corvette. This is Grant's F-150. He brought this out. Check out the Whipple on it. He told me apparently it has about 1,000 horsepower to the wheel. Camaro, check it out. Got some lowriders. Got a Lincoln Continental, Buick Regal. Got a Cadillac DeVille, Coupe DeVille. Actually, my bad. That's a Coupe DeVille. That's a sedan DeVille. Sick. So dope. Check it out. Got the Luxor wheels on it. That's so dope. There you go. Got a 2-pump setup, 3 batteries. So I personally, if I wanted to get myself a lowrider, the Buick Regal, I think is one of the coolest cars to make a lowrider. Check it out. Check out the interior. That's stock. That's original. All original interior. That is so dope. But yeah, Buick Regals just look so good. Look, he's even got the Buick emblem on the center caps, on the wire wheels. That is dope. I really like that. And then here's that Cadillac. So check out the rear taillight covers. They've got etching. They've been custom etched. He's got the 5th wheel
in the back of the parking lot. Yeah,
it's pretty dope.
I'm literally looking at the semi-trailer. But I'm just further along.
That's cool. I like this. I love Cadillacs. Check it out. Oh, he's got a different transmission in it. Check it out. He got an extra wheel just in case he needs to change his wheel. Flat screen. That's dope. That is really cool. Here's Charles, 392 Daytona. He's a big Negan fan from Walking Dead. But yeah, he's always out at all the Cars and Coffees and car shows. All right, check out this rat rod.
Yeah, that's what I want.
I think it's running a diesel motor, but yeah, it's air ride. He's got air ride on parts of the body. Good thing, great. Do it again. There we go. Check it out. Lowrider. Oh, there's Jonathan filming for his YouTube. Oh. RS5, that's dope. Got a Hellcat. Alright, this is the Legends section. This is anything 1999 or older. Doesn't matter if it's an import, domestic, it's just gotta be older than 1999. So check out the R32, that is dope. I really like that. Wheels are dope. So got an R34, four-door R34 over here. So this is the, I think, Stanzia. I always get the name of this wrong. Let me look at it again. It doesn't even say. Stagia, yeah, Stagia. And basically, GTR station wagon.
Wow.
So I got a drift car. Rocking a 2JZ. It's a Silvio with a 2JZ swap. Over here we got a RX-7, right-hand drive. Very clean on the inside. Look at the wing. That's badass. Check out all the GTRs. This is crazy. All right. Check out the AE Corolla. That's pretty dope. I like the wheels. Got the original wheels on it. These are always cool to see out. So I have to be careful with the copyrighted music. I'm really trying to work on not getting copyright strikes in my videos. So it's hard to film the Legends section because they got the DJ going real loud. Check out the full-size four-door 1500 slammed, big rimmed, air ride obviously. Clean interior. I love that interior. Not crazy. It ain't neon colored. It's not, you know, it's not tacky. This is clean. I like that. That is pretty good. So check out Raymond's R35 GTR. So this guy before had a 370Z. It was blue. It was in one of my VMP videos, but he just traded that in and he upgraded and got this R35. He's got the silver Advans on it. Check out this custom exhaust that's gold. That shit is so dope. It's got down pipes, it's tuned. This car is sick. I really like his new car, bro. Congratulations to Raymond for picking up something new. Check it out, we got Nismos, two matching Nismos right here. Get the Nismo with the wheels and the wing. Other Nismo. Over here we got Chris's Z06. He pulled up. He was running a little late. He was able to park next to me. But yeah, Chris just got this about like I think 3-4 months ago. So check out the Nissan. That thing is dope. Right-hand drive. Ah, so clean. So clean. Yeah, Gloria, Nissan Gloria. So cool. Check out Brian's Miata, buddy Brian, on a YouTube. He does all the exits with Ford Guy and Brendan Soche and Car Life and everybody else. But yeah, this is his Miata. He's actually had to go through some trials and tribulations with this car, but yeah, that's his daily driver. He's a real car guy, even though he's out filming us most of the time. Check out CTSV station wagon. This thing is pretty cool. I love CTSV station wagons. I think they're cool ass station wagons. Supercharged. What more can I ask for? Wheels are dirty though. Need to clean the wheels. So I actually would love to have those. My buddy's got those same wheels on his Caprice. But yeah. So actually, I've actually seen this person before out at the Patrick Space Force Base. So I believe she's in Air Force, or in the Air Force. But yeah, really clean CTSV station wagon. Check out the Midnight Edition Shelby Cobra Terminator. Got the supercharger. Got the color changing paint. This is factory stock from Ford. I smell E85. We got some stance cars over here. Let's go over here. So, man, check it out. Got the LS 430 drop candy flake, fully stanced out. That's a deep flake. Check out the right-hand drive NSX. That's pretty cool. Needs a little TLC. But still, it's a right-hand drive NSX. Oh, there's a Lamborghini Urus next to it. That's crazy. All right, here we got the lineup. There's John's Sentra SR or Ultima SR. Got a G37, a blue G37 over here. Got some 370Z. There's a Sean's 400. Got a Q60. There's Miguel's 400 Nismo. There's another 400. Oh, this must be the VIP section. Check it out. You got a Slam Tesla bagged out. Got a Lotus. There's the Felix's slammed bagged 997 Porsche. Check that out. RX-7s. You got a Veil side kit on it. That spec is tight. Got an RX-8. Another GT500. No, that's just a 5-liter. It's 500 front bumper. Got the LS Swap IS300. Rubber! There you go. Peer pressure. All right, we're gonna walk over here now. The music's not playing like it was earlier. So, what is this? What the hell is that? This 911 has the word hybrid on it. What the hell is this? What is this? 911 Carrera GTS hybrid? Alright, there we got Tent World out here. Pete's McLaren GT. Got some 911s. Here's a GT4. 917. Check out that Sylvia that drove by earlier. There's a RX-7s again. Got a C6 or C8, I mean. Got another GT4. 911s aplenty, but yeah, the one that I can't get over is this 911 Carrera GTS hybrid. I didn't know they were making 911 hybrids, so I'd love to see the hood of this thing open, but it's crazy. Got another red 400Z. There's Street Drifts, Audi. There's Viper Felix's Viper. There's Alex's S63 AMG. There's the music. Damn it! Check out Corey's Pro Charged Viper. This thing is sick. We've seen this thing on the road. It rips. It rips. This thing is sick. Yeah, Pro Charged Viper. So here's a GT500. It's for sale. It's a 2021 maybe. Yep. Yeah, so they are dealer cars. So yeah, they got a GT500 over here. They've got a blue Dark Horse over here. And then we got the charcoal gray Dark Horse with the black stripe down the middle. All these are for sale. They also got an F-150. Is this one with the Whipple? Yeah. So they got the F-150 with the Ford Performance Whipple supercharger on it. These are cool. Got some M action over here. M3 competitions. Got 3 of them in a row. That looks like a 340i possibly. Check out my buddy Michael. He just bought this C6 Corvette. It's a LS2 manual C6 on Kensei wheels. Pretty cool car, man. I'm glad he got this. Bail side. Check out the Pro Charged C5. Got a LS swapped Colorado. Got a LS swapped 350Z. That's dope. Check out, we got an RX-7 pulling up. Might be a future possibility for the Infiniti. Check out this G35. It's pretty clean. The wheels are cool, but man, I really like the engine bay. They've cleaned it up pretty good. It's got a Mishimoto catch can. It looks like he took the intake and polished the intake. He's definitely polished the front dual head cam covers. He's got a strut bar on it. Very clean. He's got his battery covers. My car don't look like this. It's still in pieces. So we're going to talk about that soon too. I'm not going to get too specific about it, but yeah, the Infiniti is going to be down for a long time unless I do something drastic. Oh, he's got a carbon fiber Infiniti. Oh, I like that. That's a G35 Infiniti steer wheel. He's got carbon fiber all in it. It's got the original in leather seats. Got the dual exhaust on it. Yeah, that's Scott from the Horsepower Ranch. That's a GT500 Super Snake he got at Mikomoto auction. He's selling it. Now here comes Mike with his freshly bought C6. Listen to this shit, dog. That ain't a Toyota motor in that motherfucker. motherfucker. Yo, straight up. Right-hand drive, LS. Check out the Buick T-Type with the V6 turbocharged. Got another Cobra Mustang right here. Got an old Subaru. There's a Camaro SS. Here's Caesar's 370Z. Going to a car show later today. We'll see that. Got some more Porsches over here. Let me see. Got a C7 pulling up behind me. But yeah. It's got some more cars. Got a Subaru. Got a 5-liter Mustang. There goes a C7 Stingray. So it's getting pretty hot. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. There's a lot of cars here today, so this is a new location at Full Sail, so I think it's gonna be a pretty successful location. After I leave here, I might run over to Sanford or Central Florida. We'll see. So thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, hit the notification button. Thank you. Yo, we've got Shiva and Ian with their Mustangs, GT and a 500. We got Suresh with the Corvette. We got Jerome over here with the LS Turbo Colorado. We got Chris up front with the C7 Z06. And then way up there, I don't know if you can see it, there's a Malibu with a gigantic blower on top of it. All sitting here to wait to go. Bro, it's always something. So, little twist in the tail. I'm driving with my hazards on because my buddy Suresh's clutch just went completely AWOL. So, I'm following him back to a shop to make sure we get his car to the shop. His brother's gonna get him back to the house. But I'm following him just in case I have to stop and help him. So, this shit sucks, man. It's part of owning race cars, man. Race car problems.